oyster. Oyster.
Oh, that's oysters and snails. What is this?
It's rice, sticky rice.
Ah, it's sticky rice. And this?
It's kind of potato.
What kind of potato?
It's a sweet potato.
This is a sort of sweet potato.
Yeah.
Oh, what do we have here? Crickets.
Yeah.
Oh, so many legs. So many legs here.
I like it's what is that?
What was this?
It's rice field shrimp.
Ah, rice with shrimp.
Yeah.
And that?
It's lotus seed. Lotus.
Ah, lotus seed.
Lotus seed.
And this?
It's also a kind of sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
It's fish paste. Some lemon, to make more sour.
So it's just fish sauce. What happened with these eggs?
This they cook and
Can we touch them?
they fry with some they mix with some chili,
Yeah.
some pepper,
Yeah.
and then they grill it. They grill it.
They what?
They grill. They put on the fire.
Oh, they grill it.
Yes, they like chicken barbecue.
Oh,
Chicken
right.
egg barbecue.
Chicken barbecue.
Rang sạch.
We stopped here to taste some ant soup. People are making ant soup. They collect the ants from the trees and they make ant soup. This is the garlic for the soup. But this child sells here sugar palm. And let's see what we've got here. So explain to me, please, Kuhn.
Yes,
what
it's a bamboo shoot sausage.
Bamboo soup.
Yes, bamboo shoot sausage.
Ah, shoot.
Yes,
Right.
and it's with chili.
Right.
Chili is fish paste.
Fish paste.
Yes.
Right.
This,
And
this
let's go
ant soup.
further.
Ant.
Ah, this is ant soup.
Yes.
Oh. Oh my god. This is the ant soup. I don't dare to eat it. It smells very strange. ant soup. Oh my god. And what is this here?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's also bamboo.
Bamboo. And what is this?
Also bamboo.
Bamboo. And this?
Sugar.
Sugar cane. I shook this and it smells very strange.
Yeah, they're putting them to the... Here, you can
Is it
see.
allowed to open it?
Yeah.
Wow. No, I wanted to buy it, but now I'm scared.
Oh, that's good.
No. I'm really scared.
Yeah.
Not scared, but apprehensive. Thank you very much. Good. So what's this?
It's a kind of dry deer.
Dry deer.
Yes.
So dry deer. They kill the deer.
Like a bite. Like bite McGlow, man.
What about this? What's
It's
that?
lemon sausage.
All right. That's very interesting. Thank you very much for everything.
Yes, it's it's like gold. It's a buffalo.
Buffalo, dry buffalo.
Dry buffalo.
Jack, right. Thank you very much. And what's that?
It doesn't look oh, it's a kind of the scorpion. So try to kill the scorpion.
Oh, it's a scorpion.
It's a poisonous scorpion.
Is it poisonous? And the child is not scared of it.
You see
What is that? What do we have here? The fish paste.
this place.
Thank you very much.